Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial we are going to talk about WordPress admin panel not opening or how you can fix if you cannot get access to WordPress admin. It's a very easy tutorial, no need to get panic, so let's get started. It might occur only when someone download or install plugin from plugins menu. Right now you can see I have no wrong plugin, so that's why I can go and work on WordPress admin. But what if this is happening to you? What you need to do, go to your domain hosting and any hosting like Bluehost or Namecheap or GoDaddy. So for me, for this website, I have Namecheap and you need to go there. Why? Because once you are there, you will see something like this. And this is a website which I have. And obviously, I am using the same hosting from Namecheap. Here you will see we have an option for go to cPanel. You need to get access to cPanel through your hosting service. So this is what I'm going to do. Just click on this option. After that, you will end up over here. This is the cPanel and you need to find file manager. Go ahead and click on this. Once you are here, you need to find public HTML. Click on that and scroll down until you see error. So this is what we are looking for. Click on write and click on view. Click on view. Once you view it, this is how it looks like. So here you can see that I have obviously didn't download any wrong plugins. But what if you have done that, right? So scroll down until you see the last line, zoom in, and you will see WordPress content over here instead of WordPress includes. So if you have a content like our plugin, which is includes in content, you will see the name of that particular content or particular plugins which is showing an error over here. What you're going to do, remember that content name or plugins name, and after that go back to your page over here and find WordPress content. Click on this plugins, and under plugins you will see all the plugins you have. Make sure to click on that specific plugin and rename it by something anything, and you can even write underscore and x after that particular name. So once you rename that, you can just go back and start refreshing your dashboard. Sometimes obviously plugins can be done as viruses, but it might be done only because of the name of the plugin. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.